So we put the baby budgies in the aviary now. They're in with all these guys. Woo. Yeah. Oh, and we also, obviously this yellow girl, this is yellow girl by the way, is out. This is her nest box, and I don't know what her boyfriend is for. He is the one flopping around, I think. Just him there on the wire, that's her boyfriend. But obviously they're out, they're like, yes, we're out. Yep, so she's there, they're all just chilling. Some of these two over here. I think I'm going to move their seed because for some reason babies like to be sitting in the seed. So I'm going to move the seed under there so